welcome to day 1 of quarantine. So I've decided that during this 14-day quarantine, I'm gonna take advantage and I'm going to film. Now I haven't decided what I want to do exactly. I don't know if I want to vlog every single day or if I want to vlog some days and make makeup videos other days or upload both. I haven't fully decided. But all I know for sure is we're gonna see what happens to me these 14 days at home. Currently watching Family Guy while I'm eating my breakfast. Fun fact, I'm eating Trix cereal, which used to be my absolute favorite cereal growing up. Like, hands down my favorite cereal. And I discontinued it in 2004, 2005? A while ago. And yesterday, I went grocery shopping for my parents yesterday because they haven't been able to go out, and with all this going on, I wanted to make sure that they were set. So went to Metro yesterday and they found this on the shelf, and you bet your ass I bought it. So I'm gonna finish my cereal and then I will talk to you in a little bit. Now I have to take vitamins. These are the Halo Beauty Hair, Skin, and Nails vitamins. I love these. Alright, now that I've had breakfast and I've had my vitamins, I have a lot of stuff to do. I did laundry and I didn't fold any of the clothes last night, so they're all on the couch, so I'm gonna go do that. Clean the washroom. I want to work out today because I didn't work out yesterday, so I'll probably do a little at-home fitness sesh with y'all and do my nails because I haven't done that in a long time. And look, they're gone. They're so short. I'm so sad. I had to cut off all my nails yesterday because when we went grocery shopping, I went to go put my hands on the handlebar, but because I wasn't looking, I missed. So my pinky went right into the slot where you put your coins in so you can use the grocery cart. And I felt it go in and I was like, oh no. So I like jerked up, and when I jerked up, the whole front cracked and lifted open. I actually had to super glue my nail back together. And then when that happened, this hand did the same thing, because I guess the way I did it was like one hand was under and one hand was over. So like if this was the bar, I did this. So when I went this went up, and then I freaked out. So obviously I smacked my hand to go upwards, and I smacked the edge of the handlebar, and I also broke that, similar to the way it broke this side. And then after I went like this, and I was like, fuck, and I went to bring my hands down, smacked that fucking handlebar again, and I cracked this nail. So 3 broken nails equals cutting all my nails off. Yeah, all right, I'm gonna go fold some laundry. So I just finished folding all the laundry. My camera died, so I didn't film all of it, obviously, but now I'm gonna go ahead and clean the bathroom. clean. I'm probably gonna sit around for like 10 minutes and then I'm probably gonna start working out. Guys, I just finished my workout. You never realize how out of shape you are until you try to actually work out. I am gonna go take a nice needed shower. Be right back. Fresh! Just changed. And now I'm gonna actually do my real skincare routine because I did not do that this morning. I'm just redampening my face. Fun fact, your skincare will sink into your skin better when your skin is damp. Usually what I do first is I go in with my Tatcha Essence. I really love this. I notice a huge difference in my skin. So I just pour a little bit out. And just tap it into my skin. And I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the Ordinary Niacinamide. Also, try not to touch your face with the dropper. Try to keep a distance. So niacinamide is good for enlarged pores, discoloration, controlling oil and sebum on your face. Alright, now that I let that sink in, I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer. So I use the Waterbank Moisture Cream for normal to dry skin. So I'm actually all out of this. I bought another one. The packaging's changed, but it's still the same one. Just make sure, if you're going to try this out, make sure you're reading it and make sure you don't get the one that says intensive, because that one, I'll show you what that looks like actually. Super solid, super thick. So I use this as a night cream. So the one I'm gonna use now looks like this. It's a very thin, gel-like consistency. I'm gonna take my little spatula. As much out of here as I can. And since there's no more left, I'm just gonna slap this on my face. And now, while I wait for my hair to air dry a little bit, I am going to make lunch because I am starving. So, let's go make some lunch. So, I think I'm gonna make a beef patty and egg because it's my favorite thing to eat. Alright, I'm gonna show you how I make a beef patty and egg. First, you will need microwavable plate, then a beef patty. I cut the box to make this little opening so it's easier for me to get them. Take the beef patty out of this plastic and plop it on the plate. While you're making your eggs, you're gonna pop that beef patty in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. And while you're doing that, you are going to get egg out of fridge. You are then going to break said egg and put it into bowl. Look at that little double chin action. Yum. Alright, so we have egg in bowl. Some salt, pepper, And now we're gonna put this in the microwave for about 45 seconds, 50 seconds maybe. While that's cooking, I'm gonna cut open this beef patty. And open it up. This is how you make a bootleg sunny side up egg in a bowl. I'm gonna take a spoon and I'm just gonna push on the edges until I can pretty much move it around wherever I want. Then I'm gonna push that egg on top of the beef patty, like so. Top it off with a cheese slice. Now on top of this, I'm gonna put some sriracha. And I'm gonna put on some of this amazing garlic aioli. Now we're gonna close it up, put it back in the microwave for 30 seconds to melt the cheese, and then we shall eat. I got my beef patty right here. I'm starving and ready to eat. I'm going to watch some Harry Potter and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, I'm back. So, I ended up falling asleep as soon as I finished eating. I literally sat on the couch, finished my meal, put away my plate, came back. Within like 15 minutes, I was knocked the hell out. It is now 5 o'clock. So I am probably going to, I'm gonna paint my nails now because I still haven't done that. And then I'm gonna end and edit this vlog. I didn't end up drying my hair either, but my hair actually ended up drying with this really nice like wave. And I dig it. So I'm going to take the shade Candy Apple by Essie.